You don't lack discipline. Your environment is designed for you to fail, and every day you stay in it, you prove that design right. Think about your life. Your phone is always within reach. Distractions are one tap away. Your schedule is unclear, and you expect consistency? That's like building a house on sand and blaming the walls for collapsing. It's not your effort, it's your foundation. Because discipline doesn't fail randomly, it fails predictably. Whenever your environment makes the wrong action easier than the right one, and right now, that's exactly what's happening. You don't need more willpower. You need to stop fighting a system that's working against you. So here's the shift. You don't build discipline, you engineer it. Step 1, make failure hard, not success easy. Remove the escape routes. Phone out of the room, apps blocked, distractions delayed, because as long as escape is instant, you will take it, every time. But once escape has friction, something changes. You pause, and that pause is power. Now step 2, lock your actions. Same time, same place, same task, no decisions. Because decision is where discipline dies. You don't fail in action, you fail in hesitation. Remove hesitation, and action becomes automatic. But here's the final shift, the one most people never reach. Step 3, become someone who doesn't negotiate. Not with comfort, not with mood, not with excuses, because every time you say, I'll do it later, you weaken your identity. And every time you act anyway, you rebuild it. That's how discipline is formed. Not through motivation, through evidence. And here's the truth most people won't accept. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your system. So if your system is weak, you will be too. But if your system is strong, discipline stops being a struggle. It becomes your default. So stop trying to change yourself. Change the system that controls you. Because once your environment is aligned, you don't need discipline anymore. You become someone who can't avoid it.